What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Dani Cash of the KASH Empire. Thanks for coming to watch my video. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money online daily with $0 out of pocket. Okay, no money out of pocket. This platform is free to sign up, and you can make money every single day. Okay, so you want to watch this video all the way to the end. Now, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up as you watch. And if you have any questions or comments while watching this video, drop them down below and I'm gonna hit them up as soon as possible. All right, so let's get right into the details. All right, you guys, so let's get right into these details. If you don't know what Leadsleap is, I'm going to tell you right now, okay? Leadsleap is a traffic generation platform, all right? It's a free platform that you can sign up to and you can start advertising and getting traffic to your business. All right, so it has a lot of marketing tools for entrepreneurs and marketers and even business owners that you can use and apply to your business, all right? And this is the most slept on traffic generation platform. I've been using it for years, and it just surprises me how many people still don't know about Leadsleap. But that's not why we're here. I'm going to show you how you can use this platform to make money with no money out of pocket, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch my screen around, and we're going to go into the Leadsleap platform, and I'm going to show you step by step the ways that you can use this platform to make money every single day. All right, so let's go. So I am currently logged into my Leadsleap back office, all right, and this is the dashboard. This is what you're going to see as soon as you create your free account. And I know it may look like a lot, but it's so simple to navigate once you know what everything is, okay? So I do want to put out there, Leadsleap is in no way, shape, form, or fashion a way for you to get rich, okay? This is just an additional stream of income that you can add to any income streams that you may have. And if you're looking, just to increase your income, this is just a way to increase. You can generate traffic to your primary biz and you can add another stream of income, okay? So I want to put that out there. Don't look to get rich from this platform. It's just another way to create, some cash for yourself. So what we're going to focus on is the money section over here, okay? And there are 4 ways to make money. You have the daily active bonus, the credit encashment, the paid per click earnings, and then of course affiliate commission. So we're going to go one by one and I'm going to explain every single one. That way, once you get signed up, you know exactly what you should be doing every single day, okay? So we're going to start with daily active bonus. Now, the daily active bonus is a way for you to pretty much cash in daily and get a little money out of Leadsleap by clicking on ads, okay? All you have to do is view a minimum of 10 ads every single day, and then you qualify for the daily active bonus. So as you can see down below, the total daily active bonus that I've earned thus far is $14, all right? And when you scroll down, I'm just gonna show you an example. On this day, 24 ads were clicked. I earned 6 cents. On this day, 12 ads were clicked. I earned, and it also goes by credits as well. So 12 ads were clicked. I earned 6 cents. 12, 5 cents. Here, 5 credits were, well, not here, 10 credits were earned, 16 clicks, 6 cents. Okay, so this is per day. Okay, so that's 6 cents for that day. I know it's not a lot, but just imagine if you do this every single day, plus the other 3 steps, that is going to add up. Okay, so like I said, I've earned a total of $14 clicking ads. I'm just going to show you how to click ads in Leadsleap every day to qualify. So you need a minimum of 10 clicks, okay? And you can see that I've clicked for today 11. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to go over to the side where you see earn while you surf links, and you're going to click on one of those links, okay? So a page is going to pop up with this person's, website, and you simply just, check out the site. Once you've done that, you're going to see surfing in progress over here, and then you're going to rate the site and show more links, okay? Then you simply click on another one. You view this website. If it's something that you're interested in, of course, you can enter your email or browse the site. Once it says surfing in progress, you are free to go to the next site. So you're just going to click on show more links. Well, you want to rate it first. So let me rate it. Oh, I don't want to give it a 1 star. Okay. Show more links, and then choose another ad. So you can see down here where it says my credit stats, you can see how many times you've clicked thus far, how many credits you've earned thus far today, and then you can see the total of unused credits, okay? So you're simply just going to keep doing that. Make sure you rate the site that you're viewing. Always rate the site because you do earn a credit for that, and you can make money from encashing your credits. I'm going to show you that next. So I'm just going to click until I have a minimum down here of 50 credits so I can show you the next way you can earn. And I forgot to rate the site. Do not do what I do. Don't be like me. Make sure you rate the site, okay? All right, okay, so I have finally made it to a minimum of 50 credits. So I'm gonna head over here to credit encashment, and this is the second way that you can make money daily with Leadsleap, okay? So as you can see here, convert unused credits into cash, all right? The sooner you convert your credits, the more you earn, all right? So you wanna make sure as soon as you get to a minimum of 50 credits that you encash it. All right, so you can see that I have earned my 50 credits and I get 7 cents for that. So daily active bonus plus the 7 cent, that's up to 14 cents. So I'm just gonna encash the credits, all right? And you can only encash credits 1 time per day. So you wanna make sure you're doing these daily, all right? 1 time a day. This adds up. You will be to $10, $20, $50 in no time if you do this every single day, okay? It's $0 out of pocket. It shouldn't, be anything for you to log on and do this every day, It doesn't take any more than, 30 minutes a day to do this. So once you've done that, you can see how much I've earned down here from encashing credits. Okay, so a total I've earned $6.15 from encashing credits, okay? So this is something that I don't do every single day, but just imagine if I did. I would have earned way more if I really zoomed in on this. So the next way that you earn is from the paid per click earnings. Now this is the biggest way that you're going to earn, and I actually have a system in place for you to generate way more from the pay per click earnings. Now the way the pay per click earnings is you get a widget. Okay, so your widget code is down here, and this widget shows on your website. So if you have your own website that you can go in and put code to and edit, you would just get your code here. You would copy this code and place it on your website. Okay, and this widget is going to show up on your website. So when people click ads on this widget, you either earn credits or you earn cash. Okay, so I actually have a system in place. I'm gonna show you really quickly. I have a website in place. You can get this website here that I created, a complete duplicate website that's going to have your widget here, and you'll be able to get signups. And like I said, if a person's not a member of Leadsleap and they click on an ad, you earn cash. If a person is a member of Leadsleap and they click on an ad, you earn credits. Okay, so credits and cash. And then if a person signs up, promote your links here free. When they click on that, it's going to take them to sign up under you. And if they upgrade, you earn commission. So you can simply click the link under this video to grab this done for you website. And you could set that up. All you have to do is put your name and your email and then click on get my free system. Then it's going to email you. You click the link in your email and it's going to take you to the page where you set up your page just like this one. It's literally you're adding your Leadsleap username to the end of a link. Okay, so yeah, we're going to go back up here to pay per click earnings, but this is where a lot of your money is going to come from. All right, you want to send as much traffic to your widget as possible. The more places you put your page and expose your widget to for people who are not a member of Leadsleap and they're clicking these ads, the more you're going to make. So as you can see, these are actually paid out every Friday, calculated every Friday. And as you can see for the weekly, Recently I've earned $2, $1, but I haven't been really promoting my widget. Okay, so you can see where the traffic is coming from for people clicking. Okay, you can see where the traffic is coming from, and that way you know what you need to be promoting more. And as I told you, Instacash formula, I have it on the bottom of that site. I'm going to show you that. This is my site as well, and I have it in the footer. Okay, so people are clicking ads here. All right, and then people are clicking ads on the profit system here. All right. So this is a great way for you to earn, and I actually was getting paid way more than this when I was really pushing my website. When I was pushing it, I was getting paid way more than this weekly. You know, I was up to like $5, $10 just pushing my website. But I haven't been pushing it. I've been doing other things lately, but this all adds up. So next way to earn, and this is the most important way that you should focus in on, is the affiliate commissions. Okay, you always are going to get paid way more when you're referring people to an opportunity. Okay, so as you can see, I've made a total of $338 with referring people to the opportunity, and this is monthly residual income. So every month that these people are paying for their pro membership, I'm earning a monthly commission. So I've built it up. I don't know how far I've built it up to, but as you can see, I have $97 pending and I have $57 payable. Okay, so you can see exactly how much you've earned completely by clicking on my earnings and withdrawal. And it's going to break down everything where you can see it. The income summary, the daily active bonus, the credit encashment, the PPC earnings, and the affiliate commissions, and then the outgoing summary. Just click on that. And as you can see, I withdrew $104 to Solid Trust Pay. Okay, so it does pay out. This is a legit opportunity. It's been around for years. I say maybe a minimum of 10 years that I know. Okay, a minimum of 10 years Leadsleap has been doing its thing, and a lot of people still not hip to the platform. But I'm putting you on. I'm putting you on. So create your free account. The link is under this video. And as you can see here, view 6-month earning. And as you can see here, that's what I've paid as an upgraded member for the last 6 months. Sometimes you can catch Leadsleap on when they're having a discount, and you can get it a pro membership for $20 a month instead of $30. So I caught one of those promotions, and you know, I hopped to it. But I was paying $30 before. So yeah, I just wanted to put you up on game. This is Leadsleap. It's an amazing traffic generating platform. I use it for traffic. I've been using it for traffic. As you see, I've been a pro member for the past 6 months faithfully. And when you go to pro ads, you can actually see that I am promoting it faithfully, promoting on it. These are my ads. They're generating traffic, and I just let them go. I just added this one. What's today's date? The 21st. I just added this one yesterday, and it's already gotten 111 views. Okay, and this is my Leadsleap profit system. So that is it for this video, you guys. Free to sign up, no investment needed to make money. All you have to do is be active, and you can build an income with Leadsleap and cash out, you know. And I highly suggest, if you know you have a business or an opportunity, you upgrade and you use the traffic. Okay, use the platform for what it is. All right, it's a traffic generation platform. You're going to get tons of traffic on autopilot. I plug my websites into this and I let it go, you know, and then I go other places to, you know, promote while I let Leadsleap do its thing. So if you're new to my channel, if you found this video to be helpful, give it a thumbs up. That way other people know that this is a legitimate opportunity. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I like to do income opportunity reviews. I like to share tips and training on how to generate free traffic to your websites. That way, you know, you can take your income to the next level. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.